Wow, man, this is surreal. It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. It's sunny. It's Easter week, and I'm down in Loo, which is a little seaside town on the south coast of Cornwall. And normally this place would be rammed. There's no way I'd have got a parking space at 1 in the afternoon. The street's empty. There's a few people wandering around. And do you know what's really sad is that mostly it's older people. Like, isn't there anyone to do their shopping for them? I don't like that. Anyway, I'm down in town to do shopping for my mum, for a neighbour, and I need to go to the bank and I need to go to the post office, which are really annoying things, but they all need to be done. So I've saved them all up to be done on one day rather than normally I just pop down like, oh, I'm just popping out for 5 minutes. So I've got lots to do. I'm going to try and film a little bit of it because it's all very surreal. Yeah. It's really weird. I've brought a mask with me. I've brought gloves with me. Nobody else is wearing masks, so I'm not going to bother with that. But I am going to put gloves on purely because it's going to stop me putting my hands to my face or in my mouth. So, first of all, I've got Mother's shopping list. So I'm going to go and do that first, bring that back to the car, and then run around and do my stuff afterwards. The ticket machines are all covered up, so they're not letting you pay for a ticket, which is good. It saves you having to touch the ticket machine, I guess. This is all very surreal, isn't it? Oh my goodness. Anyway, see you in a mo. Oh my God, that was so bizarre. People are sticking to the whole 2 metre rule thing. Some shops were one in, one out. I got most of what we needed, but I don't even care about the stuff we didn't get. But there's a really weird vibe, like a distrustful vibe, or I don't know, very, very, very strange. And like, we're down here in the middle of nowhere. You guys in the cities, man, hats off to you. This is a very, very surreal experience. Seeing mates down here as well, and we're like, all right, yeah, you, yeah, great. It's just. And now I want to go home and I don't ever want to come out again. I think I need to go and hide on a little farm now and go and find a duck or a cat to cuddle. Get me back to my farm. Woohoo! Look at that. Man, that feels good. One barrow underneath there of clippings and diggings and roots. There's a ton of big stones in there. There's a ton of pots that needed throwing out. And this soil is incredible. There are so many worms in here. It is such beautiful dirt. We used to have ferrets, and this was where their run was. So this is where they would poop day in, day out. This soil is a testament to those darling little ferrets because my goodness, it is so fertile. I'm hopeful that we're going to have a lot of good courgettes from this bed. It's really exciting. And I did leave the honeysuckle, I think, and the rosemary, although that could probably do with being cut back, but because it's in flower I'm going to leave it because the bees love it. So look at this funny squiffy little egg. Isn't that weird? It looks like it should be wobbly, like soft, but it's not. It's rock, well, not rock hard, but egg hard. What do you think, Sassy? Ooh, weird. Eggs are such funny things. do again. You're gorgeous, aren't you? Never has a tripod looked so interesting. Oh, don't lick it. You mingers. Oh. Oh, did it not taste good? I'm going to have to sterilise this when I get home. Aren't they the sweetest animals? This is the finger biter. You are vicious, lady. So it's 6:30 at night, and I've just looked in my phone. Are you enjoying that cuddle? No? Well, stop biting my finger then. You naughty chicken. So yeah, it's 6:30 at night. Looked in my phone. Like, no footage from today. I don't even know what I've done. I was editing yesterday's video all morning. I don't think I got that up until 12 or 1 or something. And then we're going into town and getting a little bit freaked out down there. But I've done nothing. Nothing. So really sorry, this is such a short video. These poor chickens, they're ravenous. I'm sorry for teasing you, ladies. Not the pink things. The pink things are fingers. Oh, crikey. Go on, over there. Shoo, over there. So that's it, I guess, from me and the chooks. We'll catch you tomorrow, and hopefully there'll be a little bit more interestingness going on in tomorrow's video. But don't hold your breath. As always, take care, guys. See you in the next one. Over and out.